It was late at night. A young boy was sitting alone in the living room. The house was quiet, too quiet. Suddenly, the doorbell rang. Once. The boy froze. Who would ring the bell at this hour? He slowly stood up and looked toward the door. Nothing. Then, the doorbell rang again, longer this time. His heart started pounding. He whispered, "Who's there?" No answer, just silence. Then his phone vibrated. A message appeared. It said, "Don't open the door." The doorbell rang one last time, and the lights went out. If you're not scared, subscribe to the channel.